Yo, what up everybody? I'm switching to a different lens right now. It's really zoomed in, so I can't really zoom with it. But right now, my boy's gonna pick me up on his Q60 and we're gonna go to a shop and get his exhaust installed. So he's gonna pick me up. I don't wanna take my car because it's kind of far. Saving some gas, but whatever. My first vlog just went up right now. It was kind of bad because I have no idea what I'm doing. So yeah, this is gonna be a second one. It's gonna be more fire. So Dima just pulled up on his truck. We're gonna go swoop and grab his Q50, Q60.
Yo, yo.
What's up? Is the boy Dima out here?
Let's get it.
Looking fly.
Thanks, sir.
Extra cute. All right.
Back exhaust, 3-inch. Super stoked. Also, Reckless Auto is gonna be hooking it up with the install. Only thing is it's an hour away, so it's pretty big schmob. Gonna have to fill up my truck full tank, and the exhaust is huge. That's why I have to also grab my truck. It's huge.
Why would you check your truck?
Yo, what about the piping after?
Could leave it.
Think?
Maybe.
This is crazy, yo.
Maybe 2 axles. It is for shipping. It's just. Can't even. Last piece. Yo, like put a spacer in. Look at that.
Let's do a cold start. Super quiet.
Weak, bro. That's a cold start for you. All right, we're about to head out. Got the B-roll of it.
Let's go. What do I say?
I don't know, bro. Speak your mind.
Bro, I'm just stoked. Finally made it. I'd love to use the restroom right now. He's just finishing up the BMW right now, and then just letting the exhaust cool down, so then he can basically work on
it off without freaking burning his hands.
Yeah, literally. Apparently he's quick. Apparently he's quick, so we should be in and out. I'm stoked. I'm stoked to see what's inside. I'm stoked to see how it sounds after. I'm stoked to go home as well, because it's been a very long drive. And yeah, stay tuned.
Stay tuned, boys and girls. They're figuring it out in the back. We're just chilling here. I'm in this bright seat, super sick. I want to get some for myself so I can go tracking on this car. Got Dima over there.
Repping that Reckless Auto Sports. Shout out to Reckless. They're doing a great job on my exhaust. And then she's tired, she's over it. We boys like our cars. Apparently, I'm gonna gain something. Better airflow, like Martin said. I heard them talking about it. I'm just gonna let them do their thing in there, and we're just gonna wait in here.
Come to Reckless Auto.